Hey guys, my name is Brent, and in this video I'll be showing you the easiest way you can make $100 a day from your Instagram page. Now first off, a lot of people have the wrong idea in their head, and that is that you need a really big Instagram following to even start to make money. Now this is completely wrong, guys. I've had people with 2,000 followers start to make some decent money with this strategy I'm about to teach. So for example, on my animal page, Animals Global, I've got it up on the screen right now, I was making around $200 to $300 a day from selling animal products and animal themed jewelry and t-shirts, stuff like that, and I only had around 10 to 15,000 followers at the time. So you can easily make around $100 a day from even pages as low as 5,000 followers, which isn't really hard to grow to. So the main thing when you want to make money from Instagram is you really need to have a product or a service to sell. A lot of you guys are probably worrying about not having products or services, but there is another way to go about it. Now this is called affiliate marketing. So for those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you market someone else's product in return for a commission on the sale. So with these products, you'll get a certain percentage for each sale. However, each product is different, so I can't give you any numbers at the moment. But for example, if you sell a product worth $100 and your cut is 50% of that, then obviously you'll be walking away with $50 just from selling someone else's product. Now the best thing about this, you don't even have to worry about shipping or fulfilling orders. The owner of the product does all the hard work for you. So one place you can go to find these affiliate products is called ClickBank. So just type in clickbank.com and come to this site here. All you need to do is register to become an affiliate seller. It's completely free, so you don't need to worry about anything there. Now as you can see, there's heaps of different offers that you can actually promote. So you want to find something that applies to your Instagram niche or category. So if you have an animal page like I do, you would look for products or services that apply to animals, because obviously it'd be easier to sell. So you can see all the different types of categories on the side here. There's heaps you can choose from. So if you had a travel page, for example, we'll just click on travel and see some of the stuff you can get. So there's travel hacking for big pages, Facebook ads, mountain directory, guides, cheap flights. So all this stuff here, you could promote any one of these guys. So if you click on one of these guys, it brings it up. And all you need to do is put your account nickname in once you've signed up, and you can see that you can earn 60% for this product here. So that's on each sale that you get. So what I was doing was just building this animal page using the strategies that I teach in my course, and then what I was doing was promoting dog products from ClickBank. Now since all of my followers are passionate about dogs, I obviously went through and clicked on the links that I posted, and I made quite a bit of money from this niche, simply because dog people are usually really passionate about the niche. So it's really not that hard, guys. Probably the hardest part about this strategy is growing the page, but after that it's just putting a link in the bio and making sure people are clicking on it. Now the best thing about promoting these offers through Instagram is that any of these dog posts have the potential to go viral. So sometimes I post a picture of an offer or even a product and have a really engaging caption, making sure people are tagging all their friends, and what would happen is the ball would start to get rolling and everyone starts tagging people, and what that does is give a bit of social proof and brings more customers into that offer as well. So this obviously resulted in more followers for me, more likes, more comments, and most importantly more money in commissions for that product. So once you start building up a reputation and people are starting to respond well to your advertised products, it's basically like a snowball effect. If people notice a lot of other people commenting on products and saying how much they enjoy it, it entices more people to buy it than if you had no comments or likes. So trust is a huge factor when it comes to online marketing. Social proof is everything, and without it, it would be hard to sell anything. So you're not going to buy something from a page with 0 followers simply because you don't trust it. So building up a page is one of the most important things about this strategy. So I've also made a diagram showing you the process of what you need to do to start making money with this. So the potential customers will come to your page through either hashtags or going viral. However they discover your page, the potential customer will come to your Instagram profile. Then when they're on your profile, you will have the link to the landing page. A landing page is just simply a email opt-in where you collect the person's email before sending them to the offer. So what I mean by email opt-in, that's just where people put in their email before they can continue to the product offer. So that way you have their email list if they don't purchase. Now the reason you want to be collecting emails is that you can use these email lists later on to promote extra products if you want to promote more from ClickBank or any other affiliate website. Now if you just sent them straight to the offer and they didn't buy anything, you miss out on everything. Whereas if you collect their email and they don't buy, at least you've got the email there that you can use for future products that you want to promote. And then if they go through to the product offer and they buy the product, that's when you get the commission. So when you create this landing page here, all you need to do is go to wix.com, which is a free website creator, and all you basically do is from ClickBank here, if you want to promote one of these, once you're signed up, it will give you a tracking ID, like a website code, and all you got to do is paste that into the Wix website creator on the button. I might do a video on that later if enough of you guys want it, but it's really simple. There should be heaps of tutorials out there already on how to create a landing page, but that's all you need to do is just create a landing page, send them to the product offer, and then that's when you get the commission. So that's one of the easiest ways to make money from Instagram, so definitely give it a go and comment your results down below as well. If you have any questions about how to grow on Instagram or any questions about affiliate marketing, just drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to them. So if this video helped you gain an understanding on affiliate marketing, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.